Hey guys, welcome back to my Kitchen of Vegan Iniquity. And this will have to do for my 1,000 subscriber special because honestly I had no expectation of even getting to 500 subscribers anytime soon. So I wasn't really thinking about, what I would do to celebrate. And I certainly wasn't thinking about what I would do to celebrate having 1,000 subscribers. I actually have a little more than that. So thank you, everybody. And for the celebration, I have made a Mexican combo plate feast. There are some beans down in there and Mexican rice. You can tell I like the rice because of the portion I gave myself. This is a tostada down in here. You're not actually supposed to pile tostadas up this high, so it just kind of accidentally got like that. There is a toasted corn tortilla shell underneath with some refried beans smeared on top. That's supposed to keep your stuff from falling off. Some shredded Violife cheddar, some iceberg lettuce, some tomato, and avocado. And this is a chimichanga. Chimichanga is basically a deep fried burrito. This is a creamy chicken and chili chimichanga. Say that 5 times fast. Let me see if I can cut it open and show you the filling. I already know this filling is good because I tasted it before I stuffed the flour tortillas. You saute some sliced onion and sliced poblano chili with some garlic and some vegan cream cheese, some veggie broth. I used a no chicken flavored veggie broth, and I used up some of the daring chicken in there. And then when it's cooked, you wrap it up in the tortilla, deep fry it, top it with, I've topped mine with vegan sour cream, a little bit of shredded lettuce and chopped tomato. So let me see if I can grab some of this tostada and eat it without it falling apart. You're not supposed to use a knife and a fork. You're actually supposed to use 2 hands. Some of my stuff is falling off, but that's okay. Mmm. Mmm. That's a very good tostada. The seasoning of the beans makes it really nice. So I'll have some rice. Mexican rice is really good. It's one of my favorite things to get at a Mexican restaurant. As long as it's not made with real chicken broth. Mmm. So good. Beans. Mmm. I love Mexican food. Okay. Chimichanga. Mmm. Mmm. This is super good. Wow. Or else you could use the filling in a burrito too. You don't have to deep fry it, but I wanted to deep fry it because it's a special occasion. 1,000 subscribers. So thank you again, everyone, for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. All of these recipes will be on my blog. I will link in the description. Uploads Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Community posts Monday and Friday. And I'll see you later, guys.